Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pixel Tamerz game crashing or not opening, not launching, keep stopping, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So you have to go to the App Store and in the search option, you have to search for Pixel Tamerz and search for the game and check if there is any update available for the game. So you have to open it and check if any update is there. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch it and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data or do vice versa, or you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear cache of the game. So for that you have to go to the settings. After that click on general. Here you have to click on iPhone storage. After that check click on the arrow icon beside the game. Here you have to click on offload app and then click on offload. After clearing the cache of the game, now launch it and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for iOS update. So make sure your OS is up to date. You can go to settings, click on general, click on software update and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your iOS version to the latest one and after that uh, launch the game and check if it's working. It may take some time for checking for updates. Wait for it, and once you update your OS to the latest version, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install a VPN. So you can install a VPN to access the game easily. For that you have to go to the App Store and in the search option search for VPN and you will find lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it. After that installing, you have to log in it, and once you logged in, change the location, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Apart from this, you should also check if you have not given permissions to some of the requirements that is needed to play the game. Next is to check iPhone storage. So for that you have to go to the settings. After that click on iPhone storage and here you will find whether your phone have enough space to install any game or not. If there is less space, you need to delete some unused apps or games, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to restart your phone. So after following all the methods, you have to restart your device once. So for that go to settings. After that go to the general, go below, click on shutdown. This will restart your iPhone once, and once you have done this, now check if you can play the game. But even after following the methods, the issue still continues. You are suggested to reinstall the game. For that click and hold the game icon. After that click on delete, click on delete app, and finally click on delete. So this will remove the game from a device. After that you have to go to the App Store. In the search option, again search for Pixel Tamerz game and again reinstall the game, and after that check if you can play it. So that's all for now in this video.